guys, it's me, Caleb, and today we're going to be doing a review on the 2005 5 feet wide skeleton on a motorcycle. I did buy this off of eBay for just $50. It was brand new in the box here. The only thin spots I only see is on the pumpkin. It does tend to fall over because the fabric on this pumpkin got worse. I did not see any thin spots on nowhere else. The plate's good. Pull his head down. It goes straight back up. It's great. That's good. He should be staying up if it's stayed down. That's all I need to say about this. If you like this Inflatable, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.